I am here at the Isaac backyard among this bamboo which I'm going to make into a bahay kubo. In the beginning, God created a garden. The garden was even the first God created before humans. God is a gardener. And I am going to start a garden project for Isaac. God gave to humans, to all humans, the cultural mandate to take care of the whole earth. And this cultural mandate is even given to all humankind before God gave also the Great Commission, which is the evangelistic mandate to all believers. Uh, all Souls Church, wherein the church only cares for the souls of human being, is missing a very important part of God's plan. Because God plans for the whole earth to be redeemed. And Jesus in the gospel often talks about the kingdom of God. In fact, more often than he talks about the church. Only once in the gospel did he mention the church, the word church, but the word kingdom of God is mentioned often. And so, when Isaac asked me to help with the garden project, I took it very seriously because I look at this garden project as part of kingdom building Isaac is doing, and so I consider this humble garden project as part of the soul of Isaac. I didn't want this garden project to be a burden to Isaac, and so I plan to raise funds so that this can be financed not through the limited funds of Isaac, but through donations from others. And so that is the reason why this bamboo is here, because this is going to be part of the garden project. The plants I am going to plant here, and also this small bahay kubo, which will be part of the garden project that I am doing for Isaac. And so, friends, pray for God's provision so that this may happen. In fact, I wanted this to be finished before the anniversary. However, for lack of funding, it didn't happen. Pray. Bahay kubo, kahit munti, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya. Sa paligid-ligid ay puno ng pera.